Hi everyone, simple activity here, just called bundling, something we do a lot of, and it's all built on the premise of knowing that 10 ones makes 1 10, 10 tens makes 100, and so on. Here's how we do it. I'm using the pop sticks here, and as I've said in there's my bundle of 10, and we want the kids to understand that we don't need to count all of this, we're trusting that there's 10 there if we see it bundled. If they have to go 1, 2, 3 and count, we know that they don't really fully comprehend that that's 10 yet. That's a developmental stage. So, I'm using a dice and a washer here because imagine the noise. You get 20 kids in a class doing that, it's a nightmare. So the washer works really well, and it also means that if it doesn't land on the washer, it doesn't count. So, we're just going to build some numbers. So, 5. I always roll for my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you'll notice that I'm putting them in the same pattern as my 10 frames. A 2, so a 5, 2 more. So on my 10 frames there's always 5 across and then the next row. 5. Now I put them all down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you'll see that I've got 5 and 5 makes 10. Let's take 10 ones off. 10 ones is 1 10. These two that were here are the start of my next bundle. And I keep rolling. Once again, I'm always rolling for my ones. 4. Get the 4 and put them out. 1, 2, 3. Where does this one go? Down here, because I'm keeping my 10 frame pattern. 5. Get them all. Put them all down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 ones is 1 10, and so on. And I keep going. And we might play for a certain time, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 10, whatever. And then get them to write their number down. I've got 2 10s on 1. That means 10 and 10. 10, 20 and count on, and that's the term we use, count on. 10, 20, 21, 21. And as you can see here, I've got the concrete example and I've got the numbers to go with it. 2 10s and a 1, 21. And if I was with a group of people, we could all play for a certain number of time, make our numbers, put them in a number line, stand in order. If we had a number line, we might say if this is 0 and that's 100, it's a really bad 100, where does your number go along the line? And we might say that, well, we call this benchmarking. The halfway mark is 50, so where would 21 go? It's like not far from being halfway between 0 and 50 again. So doing a lot of number line work, which is important because if we just said stand in order from lowest to highest, they could all stand in order lowest to highest here. But if we say stand where your number is on the number line, that means they've got to find the spot where their number belongs in the number line. Very different concepts to understand. So that's bundling.